Good morning, guys. Good morning from Bhubaneswar. Yesterday I was only able to make it till here. It already got dark, so I thought I'll stop here. And today hopefully I will reach Calcutta very soon. So let's see how this goes. Finally, out of these 4 days of riding, today is the early morning ride which I wanted from the very first day. Didn't really happen for various circumstances. I'm happy now that today I was able to get up early and start early, so feeling good. Crossing Orissa and entering Bengal was probably the toughest part of this ride. Most of Orissa highways are still under construction, and Bengal the roads are not that great. Probably I'm now somewhere near Howrah, so we'll be reaching Kolkata very soon. Kept the camera off all this while because there was nothing much to capture. Let's see how the entry to the city is.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleepers